Right. Good morning, everyone. This is GBP USD, and this is gold setup. Well, this has been my buy zone for quite some days now, and I'm still relying on that. And I just did a sell setup, so let's see how it goes. Meanwhile, I have GBP USD pending. Gonna buy that shit. Then I have Bitcoin. Bitcoin is still the same place, hasn't changed. Bitcoin still same place, hasn't changed at all. Alright, so let's go live on YouTube first. This is YouTube. Mhm. Okay, so this is gold. I wanted to go live on TikTok with the TikTok studio. See if I can do that. Okay, see if I can do that at once. Okay, so this is gold, and I'm waiting for it to get here so I can sell. Well, nevertheless, this buy zone still remains active. Okay, and so today I have three setups: gold, selling, Bitcoin. Already, this setup has been very long. This setup has been very long, and it's still the same place. It only gave like 500 pips and reverse. My target is 1000 pips, so it only gave me like half, just like half of my targets reversed. And it's still there, it hasn't passed this level, still there. So that's that for Bitcoin. And then GBP USD, we are here, and I think I'll be waiting for it there. to get to that zone and pick that buy. So that's currently three setups actually. Let me see. GBP USD gold. Not bad. It's almost the same thing. It is what it is. We live boots on YouTube and TikTok too. Good. I'm gonna be waiting for this for gold. I gave that sell, so I'll be selling from that point. From that's 43.32. Let's just give it 33. Okay, so I'll be selling from there. 43 32.5. I was actually trying to set up. Okay, it didn't allow me set it up. Just trying to set up this TikTok studio. So YouTube guys, welcome everyone, and thanks for joining. This good setup really looks shady, but I'm gonna fake it. I'll fake it. Don't mind. Let's just see how it goes. This is the market, so we're gonna see how it goes. So I have like 2 to 3 setups today. This is gold. Okay, gold is to sell and get ready for this buy zone. I learned today is CPI by 2:30. Wow. No, this is NFP time, which has passed. Let me refresh. So they said, okay, it will be CPI the same time, 2:30 p.m. And I'm giving sell and buy setups. Okay, it's nice. So wait for this sell. Probably maybe during the CPI. Let me see what the data says. CPI. The previous was 3.0% for CPI. We're expecting more. Unemployment claim, the previous was 236K. We're expecting less. Okay. Really manufacturing this negative and we're expecting more. So which still serves negative for USD. It's a weak USD and you should expect gold to buy for the CPI. Oh, sorry, it's a strong USD because CPI is going much more above the previous. The forecast is much above the previous. We were expecting a strong USD, and then unemployment claims. So unemployment to reduce, okay, to 224K from the previous 230. So still strong for USD. So gold should fall. That's gold should sell. That's my own CPI prediction. Okay. So meanwhile, let's focus on this setup. Although it looks like gold is gonna rush into that zone, but still standing. I still have there's still liquidity here. So if we don't make profits, then we are gonna be the liquidity that gold takes. So that's gold setup, and then Bitcoin setup has been there. It has been just here. See, for since I've dropped this setup since on Monday, and I said I was targeting 1,000 pips, and it literally gave half of that. It gave 500 pips from this zone to this zone and reverse immediately to that entry point again, and it's still going up. So still on it. I'm still waiting for that 1,000 pips. So that's that for Bitcoin. Let's go to GBP USD. Okay, I dropped a buy setup for GBP USD, and of course, sometimes gold tends to control GBP USD. So when gold is selling, GBP USD sometimes buy. When gold is buying, GBP USD sometimes sells. So if you notice, gold is just slightly buying, and look how far GBP is pushing downwards, very very fast. Okay, so I'm buying for GBP, still on buy for BTC, and then waiting for gold. So I'll be on gold for now. Once GBP USD triggers, then I'll switch. I don't like the way this market is pushing down to the entry. Don't like it. It's too fast for my liking. Okay, so once it's heading too fast to your demand zone, just know that it's gonna break through. So I need you to slow down before you get here, please. Okay, so gold it is. Let's go, gold. Yeah, let's go. Okay, so don't forget to tap your screens for TikTok. Don't forget to like this live, share, and comment. Okay, we need them shares and we need them commenting. It's shit. Well, there's nothing to say. It's freaking shit. Ah, no, 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 no. Just, I don't need you again. Bye. No difference. Still the same thing. Okay. Wait, what? You just spike. Hmm. Market is really wild. That's why you just need to. You want. Ah, no. Good. Good is trying to leave us. No. That's bad. Come on, gold. Mm-hmm. Oh, that's sad. Let's see GBP. So which means gold is trying to control GBP. So GBP can't be buying and gold is selling. Okay. All of a sudden gold starts falling and GBP also continues to fall. So I'm still gonna buy. I don't care. The loss is just 18 pips. Let's approximate it to 20 pips for GBP. So let's just approximate it to 20 pips for GBP and let's wait. That's like two setups actually for gold. I have sell pending and then buy zone below. So just like double setups. Let's see which one gets there first. Okay, let's see which one gets there first. Is it the sell or is it the buy? Anyone can go. Yeah, I was literally charging you before I took you in for live. Let's plug you back in. Good. So we are good. Good is gone. Oh, man is targeting the liquidity there. It's not gonna get there. Mm. Yeah. Okay. Let's go. Gold. Be nice. Okay. It's always a prayer point for gold to be nice. That's the joy. Once gold is nice to you, then just know that everything else is gonna be nice to you. So gold, 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 be nice. Meanwhile, where is the other one? GBP USD. Already I have my GBP USD. Already I have my limit order set. No way. Yeah, I like the way you slow down to get there. Okay. Mm. Do you have entry cell in there? It has not gotten there, so I'm waiting. The entry point is 43.32.5. That's what I'm waiting for, and good is not getting there. It might get there, but it's very slow to get in there. Okay, so not yet. I've not entered any cell. Literally waiting for it to get there. Okay. If it doesn't, then consider the miss setup. So then we wait for the buy zone. So it's just like double in one, 2 in 1. Sell and buy. Okay, but I'm not saying you should start selling from here, forcing it down to this buy zone. That's wrong. Okay, it's just gonna be buy zone and then sell point. Anyone that gets first, we take it. If it gets to the sell points, yeah, take the sell down to this full take profit, and then maybe the buy zone. If it gets to the buy zone, I'm gonna take the buy, and I might neglect the sell because this is some sweet liquidity here that gold might want to sweep. And also, I'm still seeing another sweet zone by my left here that gold might want to respect, but nevertheless, this has been the barrier for gold. You can see this has been a very strong support for gold here. It just couldn't break there. So let's put it across and say very strong support. Let's just say strong support. Okay, so this has been a strong support that gold hasn't broken past yet. Has just been reacting. It only gave like few weak candle and just took us out because I did enter a buy setup from there yesterday, but it took me out. So only did weak and couldn't break. You're on TikTok, that's why you're seeing half screen. Sorry, but if you're on YouTube, you'll be seeing my full chart because I'm sharing the full screen. YouTube is full screen, but TikTok I'm using a mobile to just record directly to my screen. Okay, so if you're on YouTube, you will be seeing what I'm doing. So TikTok is just half screen. So strong support, it hasn't broken. You can see by the left, it's still here, has not broken, did not break, did not break. Just did a week out, and it went back, and then here it is again coming back there. So this is me praying it breaks, and if it's gonna break a strong support, then sometimes when it breaks a strong support, it tends to retest back and serve as resistance to keep going down. So if it's gonna break that, then we'll be in for another thing. But if it's gonna use this strong support, like I said, and we have CPI on the way, if it's gonna use this strong support, then just know that CPI is gonna bounce back here and then buy back up. That's CPI. And Bitcoin is still the same. We're still buying. I'm still there. Break even. GBP almost there. So we have gold, GBP, and Bitcoin. 3 setups actively waiting. Can get up to 100 views on TikTok. That's mad. That's to show you it's not all about views. It's all about engagements. Are your followers engaging? Yes, they should. And this is just like 10:39. Okay. Okay. As it stands, good as left us. Okay. So good has left us. Pretty much proven now that it's gone. And I don't know if it's gonna come back or not. It's not, but it's gone. Okay, so I must have probably missed the sell. This sell entry should have been here already when this 30 minutes candlestick close and variation going. I would have took that sell here. Okay, did I? No, I didn't. So I missed it. So I was waiting for it to reverse back again, but it did not. So it's gone. This has been silences. Let's go, goat. Well, it's gone. Toronto. This is my last capital. No wonder I will choose this place. Okay, now I get it. I still not get it. Of course, it's good. What beer can this be? Yes. Of course, it's good. It's 2K. I'm touching any views on my watch. Of course, it's good. Can see it there. Where is my arrow? Was this Xauusd? So boldly written gold sports versus US dollar. Okay, boldly written. See XAU again here. And I think this numbers here is really good that has this number. That's it. Xauusd. Well, after this live, I think I'll set up the TikTok studio so that this live will be much clearer and sweeter to view. a nice view. So, but we have news today, that's CPI. So, as always, I'll be back like 30 minutes to the news and read them live. Don't miss them. I already know it's just because it's too poor. Too poor.
With YouTube Premium, enjoy ad-free videos, plus the YouTube Music app. One subscription, 2 apps. Try 1 month free of charge.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping light.
Yeah, this is good. Pretty much, this is good. This is good. Okay. So, yes. Never. I will never.
So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies.
Can we impute it? Impute what? Exactly. What are you trying to impute, bro? Yeah, you can impute that. I've already explained it earlier in the video. Okay, it depends on which one gets first. If the cell setup gets first, already I've missed it because this was a clean cell cell pattern, because bearish engulfing should have entered the cell exactly here with stop loss above here and wait for the clean sweep. So I just came late and I was expecting it to at least maybe reverse back and then continue, but as it stands, gold is not trying to reverse back. Okay, so you can still set the sell limit, but if it doesn't get there and then it gets to strong support, okay, and it doesn't break, or it does and gets to my buy zone, good, then you should delete your sell limit, because it might just come up and push up, okay, and break through. So if it gets to the buy zone or to this support and start reversing, I'm not going to consider this sell. Okay, anyone, as long as it gets to this support or buy zone first, I'm deleting the sell limits. Okay, so it's just that. But if it comes to the sell first before heading down, then yes, I'll take that sell. So it depends on which one comes first. And I did say that I'm looking at a sweet. I'm still seeing another sweep here, and most of the time when gold does this and sweeps liquidity like this one here, when gold does that, it tends to reverse back immediately, finds a support or maybe supply zone or demand to reverse back. So which is what I'm looking at right now. I think it might just flip this, find this support here and reverse back. Okay, so that's still not here, but still gonna be waiting. It's just a waiting game. Okay, no, nothing to rush. Just allow the setups to come to you. As long as it comes to you, you are safe. Where if you go to it and force it, then you are doomed. Okay, so just the right way to trade is mark out your zone and wait for it patiently. Do not hesitate, do not rush and say, "Ah, it's almost getting to my zone, let me enter." 50 pips to your zone and you're entering trade. 30 pips to your zone, you're entering. That's bad way to trade. Although I sometimes I do fall victim of that, but not always. Okay, so not always. So don't forget to follow the live creator, tap your screen, like this live, and also share to your friends to join. We are trading here for free. Setups are for free, analysis are free. So I'm not asking any money from anyone. Let's check GBP USD. Still not there yet. So back to gold. Finally, I've seen my fellow demand supply trader. Yeah, demand and supply pretty works very, very well. Works well for me. I use that most of the time. Okay, so it works. ICT, many ICT traders call it nonsense, and it annoys me because it works well. I think ICT call it order block, and is it the one I had is breaker block? I think that's what ICT decides to call it, they rename it to order block. But it's still support and resistance, demand and supply. It's just simple. Have, have you worked out new upgrade of MT5? I'm struggling. Bro, I upgraded my and I'm currently struggling. I'm still learning. But although for now I'm not gonna lie, I'm using Android to trade. I'm not gonna lie. You can't see. Let me show it on my screen. I'm not gonna lie, I'm using Android. This is Bitcoin I'm already buying. So I'm using Android. Very easy. Click, where is it? Click, adjust my stop loss, and that's so the upgrade I did on my iPhone is a mess. And I'm still trying to understand that. Okay. So for those that have updated that have updates that have English, for those that have updated their MT5, please use your time. Make sure you use demo accounts. Make sure you use demo accounts and learn how to manipulate and learn all the features of that MT5, because when I saw it I was like, what's this? Just to move stop loss and take profit, that was simple. They decided to add more sugar to it, so it's crazy. So right now I'm using Android, so don't laugh at me. Currently using Android, and which is more simpler and easier. I did not upgrade, it literally upgraded itself. So now is the best time for you to go to your Play Store or Apple Store and check that automatic update. Okay, check where it says automatic update and off it. Now is the best time for you to know what's wrong with your phone. GM to all gold sellers. Yeah, congratulations to all. So now is the time for you to know what's actually draining your data. So go there and check and turn off automatic updates. Any way of downgrading is, I think, if you are using Android, and the only way to downgrade is for those users on Android, because they can literally send app between themselves. Okay, like you're using Android, you can use Zenda and send someone's app to your own and install it, and it will be the same. But if it's iPhone, it's not possible to downgrade. What is done, it's done. And I'll use this, the work is done, so it can't be undone. So you just have to use it that way, which is killing. But actually, I was seeing some comments and people were saying it's very nice, it's because you haven't understood it, it's better, it's what. Yeah, it will be better with time, because although MT5 wasn't like this before. Thank you, let me rest in peace. Okay, it will be better when everyone understands it, but for now the whole trading world is just angry because that upgrade is rubbish. Okay, the whole trading world is just like, almost like what's the C trader. They just want to bring it like C trader. I saw someone saying they made it look like Bybit. It's as if you're trading futures. So it's just that whack. Too bad. Doesn't look good at all. Is it only me that's saying this, or is it the broker I'm using? Let me switch to another broker and see. Nope, it didn't. This was the setup I took yesterday, and look what gold did to me. Just tapped my stop loss and boom, went back up. So let me see. I'm just trying to look at this liquidity. The gold sweep that liquidity in another broker, or is it my eyes? Because at Don't get why it's just reversing from there. It didn't. It avoided it. Okay. So you avoided it. Okay. Let's still wait for you. You are gonna sweep that share. It's rubbish. I lost my funded account. Ooh, that's bad. Pretty much bad. 54 minutes already and good is still the same place. What? That's crazy. Already entered or waiting for correction. I should have entered already, but for now I'm waiting for correction. Okay. I missed it because I was literally sleeping. So immediately I woke up, I just saw good has left. So I had to put the setup and wait for correction. Well, well, it's still doing as if it wants to correct, but it doesn't want to. So I'll just wait for both sides. Either they sell after the correction or take that buy in this buy zone when it gets there. So my main rule is always to wait for the setups, wait for them to come to me, not to me go into them. Okay. Do I have anything? No, I don't have. Okay. I don't have anything. It's already 1 hour. Let's see my YouTube people. Is it 1 hour already? Nah, 58 minutes. Not bad. So I've already missed it, so it's just there. So it's gonna be waiting for the buy zone, okay? Which sounds much as the best idea to do right now. But since I've missed the sell, this bearish engulfing, I'm so angry with myself. So I'm just gonna wait for it to come back to that 4332.55 exactly there. And I'm gonna take that sell there. Gonna moto.
With YouTube Premium, enjoy ad-free videos, plus the
Ooh.
YouTube Music app. One subscription, two apps.
Come on, Goldie.
Free of charge.
Roswell 16. Well, I need to save myself from this. So the thing is, good is pretty much slow. So I'm gonna promise you guys. I'm gonna show you guys. Today is CPI. Okay, we can see CPI news today. So for now, I'm very tired waiting. This is GBP, JP, USD waiting to buy. Gold also waiting to sell to buy. BTC already buying. So like 4 setups already for this live. So as it stands, I need to rest, I need to save my head. So just take your snapshots, take your screenshots, and mark those zones. Selling at 4332.5 and buy zone is 4303. There's still strong support here that gold couldn't break, so maybe you want to consider buying at 4312 when it gets there. Okay, so I'm gonna be ending this live now, and I'm gonna be coming back before CPI. Like CPI is, what's the time? CPI is 2:30 p.m. So I'll be coming back 2 o'clock p.m. today, and we trade that CPI live. It doesn't matter the outcome, either bad, good, lose, win. That's trading for you. So let's go, guys. Don't forget to follow these accounts so you don't miss it when I come back live. Follow these accounts and stay updated. Okay, see you guys. I'm coming. Been following your videos and I think you're good. I'm trying. Not really good like that.